Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 10th question. We have to find what is the area of this triangle ABC and some measurements that are given. What is that? AC as a base, they are given that AC is a base here, that is 6 centimeter, and one of the side they are given, that is AB. By using of some trigonometric ratios here, we need to find what is the area of the triangle ABC, and angle BAC they are given that 30 degrees. So as we know, what is the area of the triangle? So this is the base, this is base. So area of the triangle, area of the triangle, what is that triangle? Area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height, half into base into height. So here what is that? Half into base is what? AC, and height we don't know. Let's going to draw perpendicular to the base from the any one vertex. This is the perpendicular 90 degrees. So let's going to consider this is D. So BD. So we have to find this one. What is the BD height? So let's going to take, this is the height, capital H or small h, whatever. So AC into BD, we know that. So by using of some trigonometric ratios, so here 30 degrees is there, one of the side is there, and this is the height is there. By using of sine theta, let's going to take, this is the theta. So sine theta will be equal to what? Sine theta opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side for this sine theta. So here theta is the A, for this opposite side is BD. Then what is that? Hypotenuse is AB, BD and AB. So BD is equals to what is that? Height, capital H by AB is nothing but 5 centimeter. So sine theta in that place, let's going to write what is that? Sine theta means sine 30 degrees will be equal to H by 5, H by 5 here. So sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Let's going to take, this is 1 by 2, H by 5 cross multiply. So 2H will be equal to 5. Then H will be equal to 5 by 2. So what value we will get? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is 2.5 centimeter. Height is 2.5 centimeter. Let's going to write 2.5 centimeter. Then height we got it. Then what is the area? So area in triangle ABC, area is equals to half into base into height, that is AC into BD. So half, base is AC is nothing but what? 6, and BD is nothing but what? 2.5. So let's going to take it here. 2 1s are, then 2 3s are, 3 into 2.5. So here 7.5, 2 5, 3 5s are 15, again 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 7.5 centimeter square. So let's going to write area will be equal to 7.5 centimeter square. So value of area, this is the way to find the area of the given triangle by using of trigonometric ratios. And if you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for